Hi everybody, I'm High Priestess Orton Phoenix. I have a very useful witch tip. How to make a herb bomb. Now, we all know that herbs can be substituted for other herbs if you happen to not have a particular herb that a spell, curse, or ritual calls for. So let's say you want a really powerful protection spell. Somebody is harassing you, somebody is stalking you, somebody keeps blowing up your phone, and you want to protect yourself from their negative energy and to protect them from making contact with you. Okay, no problem. What I have here is rosemary. You can also use the rosemary that you find in a grocery store. I also have peony. And I have witch's grass. Let me show you. All three of these herbs are used in protection spells. Rosemary, peony, and witch's grass. You can burn all three of these at the same time by mixing them up together. This will cause a bomb effect to happen magically. What this means is the protection you were originally seeking will be 10 times as strong. So if somebody won't get off your dick, if somebody won't stop messing with your money, if somebody is slashing your tires, since you are burning all three of these herbs for protection, and it's also known as an herb bomb, this means what that person is doing to you will be sent back to them, and it will blow up in their face like a bomb.